I am cooking the chicken in paprika with my butter. You're gonna hear a little baby in the background because he's like sleeping and daydreaming at once. Paprika. So I'm adding paprika. And then I'm adding black pepper and just mixing the chicken up in the seasoning and butter to let it cook. I'm adding more butter. Look at that chicken, it's looking beautiful. Beautiful. The color is perfect. Let the steam fly away, fly away. Cook the chicken in the pan, in the pan, in the pan with the butter. So the chicken is practically done, and then we're going to fix the veggies for the spring rolls. I gotta cut them up. So now I'm adding Caesar salad, creamy dressing to the chicken for some extra flavor. And letting it cook. So I ended up putting it in the oven for a few minutes as well to get the chicken a little bit crispy. Look at this beautiful chicken. It's fresh from the oven. Wow. So right now I'm going to cut up some bell peppers. And I already have some carrots. Basically, you get the drift. Cutting up the bell peppers. And we're gonna speed it up. Zoom, zoom. Now I'm cutting up fresh garlic in small slices. And then there's baby bok choy I have to wash. So right now I'm just taking apart the baby bok choy leaf by leaf. And then I'm gonna wash it and cut the ends of it. Now, if you know that I love bok choy. It's my favorite vegetable, so I had to add it in this recipe. And now I'm just cooking the garlic with butter, so I can cook the bok choy as well. look at the bok choy. So I did cook the rice in advance. So now I am cooking bok choy in butter, garlic, Worcestershire sauce, and sesame oil. The rice is gonna go on the side. So here we are ready to wrap. So here's the rice paper, and then I'm adding some chicken, some bell peppers, some carrots, some bok choy. This is about my second time doing it, so I'm still practicing on how to wrap it nicely. So be aware. And I'm just folding it and rolling it. And folding it and rolling it. And that's basically it. That's how you do it. It's pretty simple. I am planning to fry them for extra crunch. So here we go. I'm cooking more garlic and butter, and now I'm frying the rolls to make them crispy and for some extra flavor, you know. Okay, baby, I'm coming. I gotta use my little fingers here because I'm over here struggling. You gotta obviously be careful with the rolls because the rice paper is very fragile. So that's one thing about making spring rolls. And also, you don't want to wet the rice paper for too long because it will break. But yeah, this is pretty much it. This is how I made my second time rice paper spring rolls. Rice paper rolls. I made about 10 for my husband and I hope you guys enjoy this. As I always say, have a blessed day. Bye bye. See you next time.